Living in Rockville, Maryland, offers a great blend of suburban tranquility with proximity to the bustling city life of Washington, D.C. However, with increased traffic, construction, and the daily commotion of a growing metropolitan area, noise can often become a significant issue for homeowners. Whether it's the constant hum of traffic, nearby construction, or the sounds of neighbors, unwanted noise can disrupt your peace and quiet, negatively affecting your quality of life. This is where noise-reducing windows come into play. These specialized windows are designed to minimize sound transmission from the outside, offering a solution that creates a quieter, more serene home environment. If you're considering upgrading your windows or building a new home in Rockville, investing in noise-reducing windows can provide a variety of benefits for your home and lifestyle. Here's a closer look at why noise-reducing windows are worth the investment. Enhanced comfort and peace. The most obvious benefit of noise-reducing windows is the improved comfort and peace they provide. If you live near a busy street, a railway track, or an airport, external noise can be a constant source of stress and disruption. These sounds can disturb your sleep, hinder your ability to relax, and even affect your overall productivity at home. Noise-reducing windows are specifically engineered to minimize sound intrusion by using special materials, such as laminated glass, air gaps, and multiple panes of glass. These features absorb and deflect sound waves, making your home much quieter and more comfortable. With noise-reducing windows, you can enjoy a peaceful indoor environment, whether you're working, relaxing, or trying to sleep, without the constant hum of the outside world. Better sleep quality. Living in a noisy environment can significantly affect your sleep. Studies have shown that exposure to noise, especially during the night, can cause sleep disturbances and negatively impact your health. If you live in an area where traffic, construction, or other external sounds keep you awake at night, noise-reducing windows can help you achieve better rest. By reducing the amount of noise that enters your bedroom or any other living spaces, these windows create an environment that is more conducive to sleep. You'll be able to enjoy uninterrupted rest, which can improve your overall well-being, reduce stress, and enhance your quality of life. Increased privacy. Privacy is another significant concern for homeowners, especially if you live in a densely populated area or near busy streets. Traditional windows can sometimes be inadequate in blocking sounds from conversations or other noises that may affect your sense of privacy. Noise-reducing windows, however, not only block out external sounds but also prevent sounds from inside your home from escaping. If you work from home, have young children, or simply enjoy your private moments, noise-reducing windows provide an extra layer of protection. You can have confidence that your conversations and activities will remain private, giving you peace of mind and enhancing your sense of security within your home. Improved energy efficiency. While the primary function of noise-reducing windows is to minimize sound, they also offer significant energy efficiency benefits. Many noise-reducing windows are made with multiple panes of glass, which create an insulating barrier against both sound and temperature fluctuations. These windows are often filled with gases like argon or krypton between the panes, which further increase their ability to block heat transfer. In Rockville, where temperatures can vary drastically between the seasons, noise-reducing windows can help keep your home comfortable year-round. They will keep your indoor temperatures stable, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. This helps lower your energy bills, making noise-reducing windows a great long-term investment for homeowners looking to save on energy costs. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows to noise-reducing models can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer a quiet, peaceful environment, especially in busy urban or suburban areas. If your home is located near high traffic areas or in a noisy neighborhood, noise-reducing windows can make your property more attractive to prospective buyers. These windows offer an extra layer of comfort and convenience that buyers will appreciate, making your home more competitive in the market. In addition to improving your home's curb appeal and interior comfort, noise-reducing windows can significantly increase your property's resale value. Environmental noise protection. Rockville is situated near a major metropolitan area, and like many urban and suburban neighborhoods, it is prone to noise from nearby highways, airports, and other commercial areas. Noise pollution can lead to various health issues, including increased stress, hearing loss, and higher blood pressure. Noise-reducing windows are a great way to protect you and your family from the harmful effects of environmental noise. By blocking out unwanted sounds, these windows provide a healthier living environment. They help reduce the negative impacts of external noise pollution, improving your overall quality of life and well-being. Conclusion. Noise-reducing windows offer a range of benefits for homeowners in Rockville, enhancing comfort, sleep quality, privacy, and energy efficiency. These windows are particularly valuable in busy neighborhoods or areas with high levels of external noise, providing a peaceful and quiet environment inside your home. Additionally, noise-reducing windows increase the value of your home and offer long-term energy savings. If you're looking to enhance your home's comfort and reduce the impact of external noise, investing in noise-reducing windows is a smart choice. Whether you're looking to create a serene living space, improve sleep quality, or add value to your property, noise-reducing windows provide the perfect solution for homeowners in Rockville.